Problem with old cars, doesn't matter if it's got very little mileage on them. They have a tendency for the rubbers to rot out on them. So this car has got about 20,000 miles on it. But I changed the upholstery to 92 Buick. Yeah, Park Avenue upholstery. Gotta have a cup holder. So the rubbers here are gone on both sides. As you can see, a little bit left in the bottom, but it's pretty much shot. There's not even there. So I'm using the 3D printer. It's a big one. And it prints rubberized material. So I'm going to use the rubberized material to make new ones. As you can see, I've already replaced the rubber, and now the window raises and lowers. And the window is solid now. If you check the other side, the window rattles. This is the original rubber. As we can see, it's rotted. It's brittle. It breaks like nothing. So, what do? 3D printers. This is a fairly large one. It's the Lego Max. It has a 420 by 420 millimeter bed, so I can do really large pieces on it. I wouldn't waste my money buying a small one anymore. I made the cabinet for it. You can see there's a mirror on the back. It's a see-through mirror on one side. That way I can see the back of the unit working. If there's any obstruction, I can see it from temperature control for the cabinet. All automatic. The spools are in the, yep, it's a kitty litter box, but two spools fit in there perfectly. So we make the strip. This is the one for the passenger side being made now. Just make a rubber strip for any piece you need, or for any kind of rubber you need to replace on your old classic car. Can't get the parts anymore, we can make them. Okay, unit is finished on the printer. This particular material, rubbery, flexible, twistable, basically rubber. Get the rest of this rubber out of here. I wouldn't call it rubber anymore. Okay. Like brand new.